My people, there is fire on the mountain in Ghana. Was at the Totuna now everywhere. They hot for Ghana Parliament. No be small fire. As for now, we no know. Before this election, MPP been get the highest number of seats for Parliament, and anybody will get highest number of seats, they sit down for the right hand side, and those will not get get lower number, they go there for the left hand side. But my people, after election now, they come become equal. Right, come get 37, 137, left to come get 137. My people can't see wahala now. As the first set of people enter, they go straight to the right hand side because now nobody gets any higher or lower again. Now so Ursula, people come next, come see fight. Ursula can't see person wey sit down for her seat according to her because she don already dey used to that seat. And then wahala come boss. Instead of make they jejely they go for their left hand side, relieve this matter alone. So this woman no gree go there, push the man, no be small thing. In fact, everywhere come boss. When this matter reach me, people I come dey wonder say how this wetin dey cause all these plenty things. Now, so my friend, where I get for Ghana, he been go Ghana. As he come back, he give me full gist of this whole matter. Hey, una no go believe say this woman, she be MP for Dansuma area, and I hear say for that area, now they say the most expensive and the most strongest weed for the whole of Ghana. I don't need to tell una wetin e mean now. By now, una suppose don't know. You understand? Make you no be say na for my mouth una hear am. But as it be like this, omo, it be like say Auntie Kush don't ready. In fact, she sorry, Auntie Ursula. Abeg, na joke at the joke. You understand? It be like say she don't ready take that thing. She don't before she enter that because the way she scatter. No, make una no be like the way she scatter everywhere can't start the catch fire. And as it be like this, as she say, my people, she say NDC people take her seat. Say she no go agree because she know she be no nonsense woman. That's so she started do giddy. Her body can't dey hot. My people, no be small thing. As I can't dey watch her, he think when they do me like say she be Chun-Li. I can't say who be this one. When I don't watch Street Fighter. Now so she be for the video. I could say wetin happen. And as the man no even gree stand up. Now so the woman come carry her bottles. He bugum on top the man. Hey, wahala boss oh. No be smart where people abeg. Make you no be like say now only me they enjoy this matter because now why I bring the video. You understand? Because make you join me watch this video. Hey, why Ghanaians like they compete? Any small thing, una too get competing spirit. It too dey una body. Why? Now just to the copy. If Nigeria do, una go do. Before it start with music. This one they compete with this one. Fight even they happen. Nah, na politics. No, why? Wetin come they bring all this thing? And the thing where even they funny me for this matter, this man no even move. Oh. No, una no watch the video. As the woman sit down, the man no even gree move, no even stand up. How come they think say, this man they even enjoy this thing? I say, abeg, may they help me check in trouser, you understand? Before, be like say, if they possible say something don't rise for that place, I'm not talking anything, I just they explain. You understand? And as it be now, my people, I did show say this man Gundu say, he don't bring out that thing. He supposed don't come out because una no see this woman body. Auntie Ursula, you package, you carry left, right, front, back, everything. See, with this woman, all of una where they take drugs, where they take alomobita, you no need that. Una the waste una time. This woman, she on her own, she will vibe. Her body feel raised dead. People who don't die 10 years ago, say they go still come out. Hey, Auntie Ursula. And see, you don't understand. This thing where you do like this, I just the praise make people not even they copy you because this is a really bad example. I trust Nigerians. Area where are they? If na Niger this thing happen, una go just dey hear bottles everywhere. Nigerians know they carry last one, especially all those northerners, senators. Their own na to they carry chair, they throw away up and down. Nigeria na drama. I beg, before I go waste my saliva finish, bring this woman outside. Kung fu madam, kung fu mistress. Why they behave like Boko Haram trainee? Abi you go terrorism school where they teach people how to they terrorize people. Men, you know even they fear say na man you they fight. Now wow. It be like say they don't swear for you from where you come from. Abi where this woman come from safe? They don't swear for you finish. You know even figure small. You know if you calm down small. Now wow. Abi na because of Oga at the top. Like people because now so G's reach me. Say this woman, she and Oganana, you understand? They rub each other back, no be smart, you know. Side chick things. I may not be from my mouth to the hear See, behave like woman. Auntie Usu, behave like woman, oh. Because this your character, if you not calm down. Now me, look this face very well. I go give you nickname. You understand? You won't hear the name. No, now say yes, you want hear the name. Akaida Owusu. That's why I'm gonna call you now. You understand? So you better cool that temper. If not, you go to hear them everywhere. And no say na me start am. You understand? Yes, my people, now the matter be this so for Aproko show 101 TV. For now we no know how Ghana hot now. I don't bring a call on our side. And I need know what you think concerning this matter. Hey, drop her for the comment section. May everybody, you understand? Share this video. May everybody know what they happen for Aproko show. Don't go far. I go see you now later. Some people don't carry clubbing enter church. Many people now they don't even know the difference between clubbing and church. Oh. Since the time when they close down clubs, close down bars, all those places where you know say people they enjoy themselves. Everybody head no correct again. So now it be like this, my people. If you now see dance, oh. If you now see where people they dance, my people dance don't wear select garment too. Everybody just there. No be small dance so. I bet why even they waste my time they talk too much because make we watch them. As they stop club, wahala happen. Oh. Wahala don't increase. See how people they dance. Oh, now we they see people through color. Now. Before, how did they dance for church? No, don't be saying you know if you dance for church, but my people nowadays the thing don't they change, don't they change shift oh. Which one can't be all this kind of dance now? No, from where? Who bring how? Make we see. No, una don't see those elders wey sit down for front. They even spread leg. They enjoy. Hey, wahala. The one of the elders said even won't grab the backside for the end of the video. No, una no see am for church. No, see, make una no make dancing for God come turn to sin for men. Because I don't understand. At least if you dey dance for church, dance normal dance. Me, I dey dance, oh. But my people know this one shock me. Forget them. This one shock me. Dance with style, dance with consciousness. This one come dey twerk on top. No, waiting. My sister, why? Since when they stop clubbing, some girls don't carry clubbing for church, and now girls must survive. Now why men, if una they go church, una know they focus. Hey, una go just they end up they impregnate all the church people before una go even know am. Because some people where they church, no be church they go. See, una suppose know something. Church na like hospital. Different people with their different sickness. You understand? So if you dey go, dey conscious, dey make sure say you dey carry, because I dey told this thing because of experience. I remember that time when I dey Lagos, the kind things wey I dey see. Oh, these people, I no dey call name, I just dey talk. If you na see wetin dey go wear under that thing wey you na dey see say garment. And these kind of people now, if they rape una go dey talk say, they don't rape you, they don't do this. No, how you go dance like this? People no even fit focus again for the word where the man of God go dey preach. Now so look, they go dey look una. No, my people, that one no be dance. So now twerking, serious one. Ha! Now so people can't even they talk say, make us send them the name of the church, say they won't go. Say from now they go, they committed. See what you know they cause. Ha! And people see, shame even they catch me like this. Shame they catch me. Una go just say, una they dance for Jesus. I bet that will not be Jesus dance. Una no wait till una go there, go find. My people, now the matter be this so. I don't know whether una see the way they see am. I be for una eye na normal dance because me I no see normal dance. Because I wanna wait till una think for this matter. Wait till una think say they supposed to do to these people because if we no take care now. Now misleading we go dey mislead oh. So I beg drop your comment for that comment section. You understand? If you reach somebody, if you help person. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen for Aproko show. I love you guys. See you later.